Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect eclairs. First, let's master the choux pastry. Combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then add 1 cup of flour all at once, stirring vigorously until a ball of dough forms. Remove from heat and beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the dough is smooth and shiny. Now, let's shape and bake our eclairs. Transfer the choux pastry to a piping bag fitted with a large round or star tip. Pipe 4-inch long strips onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 20 minutes until golden and puffed. Cool completely. Next, we'll prepare a luscious pastry cream filling. Whisk together 3 egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Heat 2 cups of milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until simmering. Gradually whisk the hot milk into the egg mixture, then return it to the saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until thickened. Chill for at least 2 hours. Finally, let's assemble and glaze our perfect eclairs. Once the pastry cream is thoroughly chilled, fill the cooled choux shells using a piping bag. For the glaze, melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate with 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Dip the tops of the filled eclairs into the warm ganache. Allow the glaze to set slightly before serving. Enjoy your homemade, delicious eclairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.